Hi everyone, I'm again back again. Yeah, I'm back again, back, back. Okay. The reason why I'm back today is it's like I have had this thought a week, no, I guess 3 or 4 days ago. I was thinking on this thing called "Who on this planet Earth?" I was thinking on this too much, but I didn't research any like Google or something, it just came pop up in my head, and then I start figure out and I start connecting the dots. What words? Start connecting the words. What is this? What can be this? And then who on this planet Earth? And then I figure out something by my own. Actually, every if you look back to the history, every century, every like a change in the era, people came with something called a valuable item where people value a single thing more, where every person in this planet Earth value that item. What is that item? So right now in this 21st century, it's actually money, a piece of paper where people value the most. Where if you have lots of piece of paper, you become the powerful person. So the powerful person will run this planet Earth how they want. So let's travel back to the phase where it is where we call it as Stone Age. Okay, so what is Stone Age? Stone Age at that time, who owned this planet Earth? The people with most of the stone weapons, and people who have the most strongest weapon is more powerful in their circle. Yes or no? Yes, they are. At that time, they are more powerful in their circle. So if we look by that, so that time the stone, the more weapons becomes people with the more weapons become more powerful, and they run this world how they want. They have maybe uh like forcefully force people to do something that they want them to do, or want his like fulfilling his thought, pressurizing or showing his power to others slowly and slowly also. And then I don't know how much age we come through, but we come to the age called agriculture age. Agriculture age is the age where people with lots of land are more powerful, and people with lots of production are more powerful. That time, landlords are in the power. And they own the planet Earth at that time, and they run the planet Earth how they want, right? They just do what they feel like, and then slowly and slowly the world revolves and revolves and time changes. But it changes how it changes because they want it to change, and they change the way they want. And then when it comes to the now, slowly we have a world war and the industrial revolution where people with more production wins, more number of production industrial, more number of profit wins. And at that time, slowly we have a world war, and the planet Earth run how the people with lots of like United States runs that World War Two, or Germany runs that World War Two. How they do, they did the things to this entire world how they want. We're just a result of the World War Two. Like right now, we're just a result of a World War Two. The technology changes because, like one prime minister say, I will go to the moon, and the technology come many technological thing. So and then we have is now the most powerful is the money, the piece of paper. So actually, who on this planet Earth is every new era, every new generation, every new century, there comes, okay, here's the conclusion. There comes the most powerful weapons, most powerful, valuable things that everyone or maximum number of people value that. Some people value stone weapons at times, and now people value people with a lot of lands. So there is just the psychology of humans. They value those who have that more in amount. Like now we value the billionaires, the worst of the billionaires, and they're running this world how they want. The climate change and everything's they're just controlling it. They are not. They're just acting that they are working for the climate change, but they are not working for the climate change. Actually, the Meta wants everyone to be at their home. I don't know. It's a conspiracy, or not, but I believe everyone should be in their home. The climate change is the result of the industrial revolution, right? And they run this world. They own this world, and they run this world how they want. We simple individuals cannot speak on this, right? So this is how, like, if everyone values something, and that something is owned by a someone in the maximum number, means like if I have a billions of dollars, that means I have a billions of value. I can use it in a positive way or a negative way. I have two things. If I use billions of value as a negative things, then the world revolves in the negative way. World will go round the negative way, and then if I do positive, the world will go positive. And slowly now world is going negative. The climate change we can say is an example. Heat waves. I don't know, like people believe or not, but climate change do exist. Changes exist. Changes can happens good way or bad way, but now it is happening bad way. Means it is a bad change. Maybe it's a bit due to the reason of the maybe it can be a reason of industrial revolution. But who on this planet Earth says every new century, every new era, there comes the one powerful thing that everyone values, and people with that high number of people who carries the high number of value runs this world on this planet Earth. That is the thing. That is my point. That is my thought of this for 3 to 4 days. And next thing is the future is going to be more fun. People with lots of tech or people, money is going to be valueless. I feel like people with a tech or sorry, people with a tech or not lots of number of technological changes will be running this world. People with AI knowledge will be running this world, or artificially created world will be there in the future. People will not going to have this natural world. They're going to have different artificial world, and people with lots of AI in their hands, power of the AI in their hands, will own this planet Earth in the future. That is what I see now. There's people who have lots of technical world knowledge. Like nowadays people are creating AI. The Neuralinks is an example. Like he if the Neuralinks will be successful, he will run this world how he wants, and they are going to own this planet Earth. So the future is on a technology, or maybe not technology. Then we will move back to the same old natural way where we spend our time with ourselves, called spirituality world. So we have a lot of things, but I guess we are going to catch the technological world, because people are going to value AI more in the future rather than anything. So they are going to, if people more number of people value one thing, if that one thing is owned by any of the person, will run this or on this planet Earth. That's all. At the conclusion, that is my like 3 or 4 days my hair thing, because I haven't expressed it in the camera because my father is at home, but now I'm expressing it, and this is why what I believe. If anyone in this future watching me, do criticize it. If yes or no, comment. If I'm dead or alive in the future, I don't know, but please comment. And yeah, that is my thought. And if you're watching from the future, hi, my name is Dipson. Now I'm 18, and it's 2022 19 7 7 19 10 10 p.m. Nepal right now. So that's all, and thank you very much. And that is my thought. Like, who on this planet Earth? That's all. People with a lot of who carries a lot of values of the people are going to own this planet Earth, and they will run this planet Earth how they want. That's all. And thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So bye bye. I will meet you again. I will come again. That's all. Thank you.